Alpine Pat here, Saturday, March 19th. And just like that, the winter season has ended at Alpine Valley. But as sad as it is, I want to just go over this past season. We opened the Friday after Thanksgiving, November 26th. We closed this last Wednesday, March 16th. 1 week of 4 full months of winter fun. Not bad for a winter resort in southeastern Wisconsin. Mother Nature did not help us much with natural snow. But what? Me worry? Not with our snowmaking crew here. I mean, these guys picked up the slack. We consistently had a 28 to 36 inch base pretty much through the course of the season. Alpine Valley rocks with early opening days and trying to stay open as long as possible. But the change of seasons is inevitable, and I'm going to enjoy a little time off, but I will be back in the valley shortly for some golf, mountain biking, hiking, and back this year after a 2-year hiatus, live music in the amphitheater. Name me a venue that you can golf 27 different holes during the day, lounge around by the pool later in the afternoon, and then take in Jimmy Buffett at night or Dave Matthews. Pretty unique venue that we have here. Nostalgic. Our people would say so rich in history. Come on out and see what I'm talking about. But I really want to thank everybody from the season pass holders out here 4 or 5 days a week or to the family that comes out once per season. Thanks for a safe and successful season. And when I say safe, nobody got wet in the river this year. Well, we had one young lady that landed on the ice. She got her other ski off when she's on, when it came no stop, took her other ski off and walked off. Said she was okay, gave me a high five. My advice was to her, learn how to stop. Catch fence only goes so far, but hey, great. Thanks for a great season. Have a great summer and hope to ski you soon. Yeah, bye ya.